Hey everyone, welcome to PananaTV. My name is Monica. Today we are making chicken stew. I'm craving this. I haven't had my own chicken stew in a while, so I just wanna take you along as we make it. Let's cook, fam. Let's start by chopping this onion. Alright, so I'm just gonna roughly chop it. Please never mind the kettle in the background. I'm boiling water. I need a cup of tea. It is so cold. So this is how I'm roughly chopping my onion. Just on the sides and the other side. Done. These are onion. These are yellow and red bell pepper. Now tomatoes. You don't have to use fresh tomatoes. You can use canned tomatoes. Let's quickly grate these. How cute is my mug, guys? It says good morning. I got it from Timo. And I'm having peach and apricot tea. I don't add honey or sugar to it because it's already sweet. So nice. Let's wait for it to cool off. So actually the other day I forgot about this tea, and then I remembered I think about an hour later. So I just decided to taste it. It actually tasted nice. So I'm thinking in summer I'm gonna make like iced teas with this. It's gonna be so refreshing. No man, why am I chopping this? I wanted to grate it. I want to grate this, not to chop it. But anyway, it's fine. So it always helps to do your mise en place, which is prep all your ingredients before you start cooking. So we've got our chicken defrosted. I'm gonna be using chicken thighs and drumsticks. Grated fresh tomatoes, or you can use canned tomatoes. I've got my onion. I've got my bell peppers and chicken stock. Then for seasoning, I've got my normal salt and black pepper, which is spices you use. So this is 6 gun. I like 6 gun. And then this is parsley. I'm going to saute my onions with this parsley. So this is what's going to happen. And then after I've sauteed everything else, I'll be using these spices. This is mild curry raja. This is Portuguese chicken spice. This is Italian seasoning, parsley and paprika. 1 teaspoon of each. Let's cook, family. Who doesn't love the sizzle, guys? I love it. Oh, it's so good. This cup was 45 rand, I think, actually. So tasty. Beautiful. Looks so good. Lovely. Woo. Chicken looks very good. So now we're just gonna add in our onions. I like to saute them with a bit of butter. Just a little bit of butter. It adds a very nice flavor to your meat or whatever that you make. So we want to scrape everything from the bottom. All these are going to add so much flavor to our stew. This is paprika. So make sure you saute your onions at a very medium heat. You don't want them to turn black. You just want them to soften nice and slow. It smells so good in here. So now that our onions have softened, we're just going to add bell peppers. Add bell peppers and saute for another minute or so. Time to add back our chicken. All the seasoning. And add 1, 2, bit of black pepper, how gorgeous is this? My goodness. We are going to deglaze all that flavor at the bottom with chicken stock. If you don't want to add chicken stock, you can add water. Alright, you don't want to add a lot of water Just a little bit. This is our tomatoes. We are building flavor. Flavor. Nice. Actually, I've decided I'm not going to use salt because everything else there is salty. So yeah, we're going to simmer this for, let's say, 30 minutes. Lovely. So I'm just adding a bit of tomato sauce to my stew, not a lot, so I'll say maybe 2 tablespoons, just to add a bit of flavor. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to add any soup packs like or brown onion or all those things. So what I'm going to do for my soup to get thick, I'm going to reduce it. So reduce it, I mean I'm going to open my pot and then just allow it to get reduced. That way it's going to thicken. And then yeah, we can enjoy a stew. I'm going to be serving my stew with rice. So I'm just making that on the side. I've already washed this. Just like that, guys, we are done. Guys, see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.